Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Final Round AI review. Is it worth it? Final Round AI is an AI-powered interview prep platform designed to simulate realistic interview experiences, analyzes resumes, and provide real-time copilot feedback during video calls. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including mock interviews, performance tracking, and insights on confidence, clarity, and nonverbal communication. Users report faster preparation and tailored guidance, which can improve outcomes in real interviews. However, there are notable drawbacks: steep pricing with limited sessions, technical glitches during Zooms, Teams, or WebEx calls, and no mobile or tablet support. Billing is aggressive, and customer support can be slow or unhelpful. In conclusion, Final Round AI is legitimate and can be valuable for structured practice and analytics, but its high cost, platform instability, and limited accessibility mean it should be used cautiously, especially if budget or reliability is priority. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.